I'm sure it has happened to you that you don't remember your password for Instagram, and maybe you want to log in on a new device, or you just logged out of your Instagram account on the same device, but you don't remember your password in order to log in. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways that might help you remember your password. If you are logged into your Instagram account, you can just go to Settings, tap on Account Center, and here you want to tap on Password and Security. And here, the first option says Change Password. If I choose my account, it tells me the last time I updated my Instagram password, so that might help you remember your password. Instagram doesn't show you your password within the app because somebody might have access to your device and they don't want anyone who has access to your device for like 5 minutes to be able to see your password because they might log in later. So there's one more thing you can do. You can open a browser and search for Instagram.com, just like this. Allow all cookies. Now it says open Instagram because I already have the application on my phone, but that doesn't work for this specific feature. We want to tap log in. And here you can log in using your username, email, mobile number, with your password. So when I want to log in, as you can see, my phone is suggesting the password that I have already saved on this phone about this website. So if I just tap on it, and the Face ID works by tapping on this little eye icon here, you can see your password easily and you can log into your Instagram account wherever and whenever you want to. Hope this helps, and remember, always protect your data and privacy.